Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is homemade garden furniture terrace. Making homemade garden furniture for terrace can be a fun and rewarding project. It allows you to customize the furniture according to your preferences and need while adding a personal touch to your outdoor space. Here are some ideas and tips for creating your own garden furnitures for terrace. Pallet furniture. Pallets are versatile and can be repurposed into various types of furniture. You can build pallet sofas, coffee tables, planters, and even vertical garden sand the surface to avoid splittering and paint or stain them for finish look. Cinder block beach. Arrange cinder block in a beach formation and use wood or cushion for sitting. You can even place potted plants in the open spaces for the cinder block for adding greenery. Wooden wooden crate furniture. Wooden crate can be transformed into stylish and functional furniture pieces. Stack them to create storage shelf or tables and paint to or strain them to match your terrace decor. Upcycle tire sitting. Old tires can be turned into the comfortable sitting by adding foam padding and and covering them with weather resistant fabric. Paint the tires in vibrant colors for a playful touch. Tree stamp stools. If you have tree stamps lying around from your tree removers, clean them up and turn them into rustic stools. Sand the top surface and apply a protective finish to make them durable. Rustic log furniture. Cut logs can be used to make natural and unique furniture. Use them as seat side tables or even coffee tables. Seal the wooden with varnish to protect it from the element. Foldable wooden chairs. Build foldable wooden chairs using wood, which can be easily stored during unfavorable weather conditions. You can find various plans online for this. Pallet bar. Create an outdoor bar using pallet, add shelf, a counter, and some bar stools for a cozy entertainment spot on your terrace. So, Hong Kong swing. Use strong fabrics or canvas to craft a comfortable